everyone? Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. Truly excited to offer you guys a awesome little truck right here. We got a 93 Chevrolet S10. These trucks are absolutely awesome. This is a 4.3 six-cylinder S10, one owner with 71,000 original and documented miles. This was owned, this is your good old traditional one owner truck, elderly man owned, garage kept. You were looking at a 100% original truck. Paint's original, bumpers original, grills original, wheels are original, side trims original, mirrors original, an absolutely gorgeous truck. Undercarriage is very, very clean, inside spotless, blue over blue. To find an S10 in this condition with original paint is just absolutely amazing. Original wheels as well. Take a look at this side trim. Look at those pinch welds. They're absolutely perfect. That's original paint on that hood right there. Hood cowl, all original paint as well. Roof's original paint. There's not one speck of clear coat, thinning of paint, or anything. Belt moldings. Mechanically, it's all original as well. There's no aftermarket parts as far as exhaust or intakes or anything like that. Look at this side trim. Now guys, as nice as this truck is, please expect obviously some very minor wear here and there. There's zero damage. There's really nowhere to even point out, but I mean, this paint is just absolutely beautiful. So there's a Pdr Dent right here that we're getting removed. Our Pdr guy comes on Wednesdays. I think the truck has a total of 1 or 2 small door dings, and those will be removed. That's a 100% original wheel, original ring, original center cap. Tail lights are original. Tailgate bezel is original. Really, the only thing that you can really nitpick on this entire truck for, in my opinion, is you got a little area right there that's had some touch-up paint, and on this bumper you got a little scrape right there, and you got a little tiny gouge right there. Other than that, I mean, she is 100% all there. The bed is also all original. There's never been a bed liner, spray in for that matter, obviously, or drop in. So there's some very small little scratches here and there, a couple little dings on the wheel wells. We didn't want to bedline this. We do offer that as a service, but since this truck is all original down to paintwork, we decided not to do that. All the rain gutters and the tailgates are perfect. The hinges are perfect as well. All the buttons are flawless. Dash is perfect. All the keys, all the books, all the manuals, the original business card of the guy that sold it from the GM dealership. Look at the weather stripping. You notice how quiet that door was when it shut? Non-smoker, there's zero odors whatsoever, zero burns, 100% non-smoker truck. Top of the steering wheel's perfect, both keys. I mean, this thing, guys, is the real deal. Even though it's only got 70,000 miles, I mean, if this thing had 20 or 30, you wouldn't argue. I mean, the steering wheel is literally perfect all the way around. The dimmers work as well. That's throughout the radio unit. Very smooth shifts. I mean, this thing, this truck's incredible. Floating at 63 miles an hour. And this road too, there's some serious crowns in this road. It's a ton of semi trucks that drive down this road, logging trucks. So this thing's just floating. Slow down a little bit, get down to about 40. Give it about a 75% acceleration. Probably the first time this truck's ever had that sort of acceleration. Perfect downshift. Super smooth. I mean, there's no noises even when you hit bumps in this truck. This road, like I said, there's a lot of crowns, there's a lot of ridges. Take this path for every vehicle we test drive, and this truck is very, very smooth. There you guys go. Quick recap: 93, 71,000 miles, a true one owner truck, garage kept since day one of ownership, all original, paint's original, trim's original, bumpers original, original engine, no aftermarket parts. That doesn't mean parts haven't been replaced and serviced over the years, but it's all OEM spec stuff, from the exhaust to the suspension. Very, very hard to come across a completely original S10, even ones that are in original condition, to find them with no paint work, a true one owner car, original title, even Carfax shows it as an original owner, and I don't think there's too many out there like it. So if you guys have any questions, 855-955-3377. Thank you.